Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Faraway. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to do a 3-stage paint job. This is a back bumper cover of a 2015 Nissan Altima. So the color is a tri-coat. Let me show you what to do. Alright guys, first of all, I'm going to scuff it down. I'm going to get a gray Scotch-Brite. I'm just going to sand it down, scuff it down, put some adhesion promoter on it, and go from there. So let me scuff it down and I'll bring you back. Alright guys, everything has been sanded down, everything has been scuffed down. I'm gonna get myself some rubbing alcohol in a microfiber towel and just wipe it down. I'm not gonna use wax and grease remover in this one. I'm just gonna use that rubbing alcohol. Alright, everything has been cleaned with the alcohol. Now I'm gonna get started and to apply the adhesion promoter. This is the brand, this is the adhesion promoter I'm going to be using, and this is just going to be going straight into the gun. Alright, I added 2 coats of the adhesion promoter. Now I need to let it set. I waited 10 minutes in between each coat. Now I'm going to wait about 30 minutes for it to dry. Then I'll come back and I'll start adding the sealer. I'm going to be adding some sealer. It's a 2K sealer. So let me mix up the sealer. Just waiting for this thing to dry so that I can start shooting the sealer. Alright guys, this is after 3 coats of base, and it's ready. It's ready for the pearl and for the next step. So what I'm going to be doing, you saw me go this way when I was applying the base. The thing is that this is a solid base, so it doesn't really matter. Now for the pearl that's going to go on, I'm going to start all the way across. I'm not going to stop. It's going to be like a candy type of spraying. Reason being, I want all those metallics, all those pearls to land perfectly. I don't want any darker spots and striping and anything. So just pay attention as to what I'm doing, and let's go. Alright guys, and there it is. I added 3 coats of the base. I have a sample here from the car, and this it has clear coat and all that, but the pearl is right on. So it's ready. Let me just let it set. I was shooting it at 29 psi, and I waited 10 minutes in between coats. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait another 15 minutes so I can start shooting the first coat of clear. All right, I'm gonna be using the Grand 7 clear. So let's get started. Alright guys, and there it is. This is after the 3 coats of the pearl and 3 coats of clear. So it came out really nice. Let's just put it on the car. I'm gonna let it dry for about 24 to 48 hours before I install it, and I'll give you a look once everything's assembled. Alright guys, and that's the way you shoot the 3-stage pearl. So hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again guys, be careful with whatever's going around in this world, and stay safe, wash your hands, and that's it guys. Hope you liked this video. Next week I'll be starting on my car. on the Charger. So guys, thank you. Subscribe, like the video, share the video, and that'll be it, guys. All right, don't forget, Monday I'll be giving away that paint gun. All right, guys, and like always, God bless.